Right now, we're in the process of establishing the new Innovation and Technology Bureau. Setting up a dedicated bureau is a clear and firm indication that government is according even higher priority to promoting innovation, science, technology, research, and design in Hong Kong. With a leadership role in policy coordination, the new bureau will help foster a positive climate for investment and risk-taking and boost momentum in developing the local I&T sector. According to the Global Innovation Index 2013, Hong Kong ranks 7th among 142 economies worldwide and first here in Asia for innovation. I think there is room for us to improve on this score, and we can do even better. Hong Kong has all the right ingredients for a highly dynamic I&T sector, with a strong innovation culture based on free flows of idea, information, and talent. We keep our taxes low, and we cut through red tape at every opportunity. We also have a robust intellectual property regime and a sound legal system underpinned by an independent judiciary. All this is part of our city's DNA as the world's freest economy.